anong nangyari sa big ticket, high impact flood control projects that were funded by ODA. They were lodged under the Foreign Assisted Projects or FAPs. I think this was presented in the 2024 budget and 2025 budget. Can you give me an explanation or clarification on that? Kasi malaki to, malalaki to. I understand that the foreign creditors here are JICA, Asian Development Bank, World Bank, IBRD, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, Korea Economic Cooperation Development Fund, and the government of China. Pag na-approve na kasi yan, yung mahaba yung proseso. Very, very technical. Kompleto yan. Feasibility study, everything. Pumasa na ito sa DBCC, pumasa na sa Monetary Board. At saka meron ng sovereign guarantee. Anong nangyari? 2024 National Expenditure Program, pumasok yung ODA. 21.6 billion. Nandito, ginagyan ko ng tag. 11 projects. Pagdating sa GAB1, General Appropriation Bill, white book with red letterings, pumasok din, fitful copy, 11 projects, 21.6 billion. Pagdating sa GAB3, third reading dito sa House of Representatives, binawasan ng 5.4 billion, ang naiwan, 16.1 billion. So sa House of Representatives pa lang, binawasan na yung ODA. And you know what happened pagdating sa GAA? Pagdating sa GAA, this is now the product of both the Senate, the House of Representatives, at saka sa BICAM. Zero kinatay yung buong ODA. Nakakahiya sa ating mga foreign creditors. Punta naman tayo sa 2025. Ito yung ginawa. As is, yung proposal, National Expenditure Program, 11 projects, foreign funded, 11 total of 27.5 billion nandito. Nilagyan ko ng marker. GAB1, first reading, faithful copy, nandito yung 11 projects. Total of 27.5 billion. Third reading, House of Representatives. Binawasan ng 18.6 billion, ang naiwan 8.9 billion na lang. ODA funded ito. May approved loan na sa mga foreign creditors. GAA 2025. In fairness to the other house, to the Senate, binalik nila yung 300 million. So yung 8.9 na naiwan dito sa House, naging 9.2 billion. Walang binawas pagdating sa Senado, pero ang overall total, ang nabawas is 67% of the flood control budget, which are big ticket. Pag sinabing big ticket, malalaki ito. These are the, kung baka superhighway, dito dadalo yung maliliit. So what happened to the ODA projects? It's very simple. Tingnan nyo lang. Nawala yung big ticket projects at nagsusulputan na parang kabuti yung maliliit na projects. Makita nyo yan sa budget. In other words, gichap-chap yung ODA foreign funded projects pumunta sa maliliit na mga proyekto. So, sino ang members ng Chap-Chap Gang dito? Sino ang members ng Chap-Chap Gang dito? Sino ang members ng Chap-Chap Gang dito?